Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Monopoly Go. So you're gonna go to your friends section right here and you're gonna see the added friends and all of that. So the only way I think to do that is by going to the leaderboard and you're gonna see right here the friends section. So once you see multiple friends, I reckon you're gonna click on their name and you're gonna see multiple options, and I'm guessing there is like a block option or delete option. So since I don't have friends, unfortunately I can't show you how I can do that, but if you have a lot of friends, click on their name, you will see multiple options. If you have like a settings or something in their name or something that you can maybe delete or block them, you will be able to do that if they have this feature on Monopoly Go. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow on it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. My name is Adam. See you in the next one.